Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. So I am going to be making slime with shampoo, water, and salt. Yeah. So I was just chilling in my room right now. So I actually don't know where we're gonna make the slime right now. Seriously. So maybe here. Maybe this or here. You can see me, namaste, namaste. Alright, let's go and get the ingredients. Just a few seconds. So, Henry did that again. And my sister is going cuckoo. So, she will disturb. So, please, please.
Oh gosh. Hey! Nice to see ya! Can I help you find something?
So here, I have the shampoo. It is, what do we call it? Tresemme something. I don't know what it's called, but it's nice. Let's see.
So you say you're looking for the main kid? You're gonna tell him. You know you're gonna tell him. Where's the man cave? It's in
I'll get the rest.
Welby Park. Attaboy, Jasper. Sometimes I short his name. Mr. Jasper. Where is Welby Park? At the playground. Under the Swirly Whirly. Swirly Whirly? Alright, you're coming with me. Why? To show me the Swirly Whirly. Wait, my dude, okay? No. Turn it off. This is not good.
Harry, you gotta stop that.
I can't.
You can, if you have the power.
What power?
So here are the rest of my stuff. I have salt,
Stop. This is a South African
food coloring, pink, and
It is that
coloring.
right there.
Oh, my shake spider. No way. I always wanted to see one of those. What's it look like?
So now we're gonna start with the
Shaggy?
shampoo.
Thank you. So, for me to get a
Into the
super
bowl.
house, get
Here you
bitten by
go.
some crazy foreign lizard and a bush spider?
Yeah.
No. So, you see, when you combine their venom and take the mixture, it turns
Water.
into a vapor, and then you breathe it in.
I could breathe in venom vapor?
Yeah, it will accelerate your reflexes and sharpen your hand eye and your foot eye coordination.
So, you're saying it'll make Henry be able to move fast?
Yeah, if you want to say it like a dummy.
Mama, one new thing.
Guys, this seems really weird and kind of dangerous.
Yeah, it is both of them.
Here's my friend. So now we need a pinch of salt.
You think I give up?
Enough. Enough. What's it? I just put a pinch.
As your psychologist, I'm here to help you overcome your fear of playground. Thomas!
There we
Now,
go.
the only way to conquer a fear is to face the fear.
Can we go movies?
No. Now, your parents and I are going to walk over to Inside Out Burger and have a late lunch while you children stay here and learn that playgrounds are nothing to be scared of. Come on, parents. There it is. Duh. Where's the man cave? Show me. It's
So-
under this whirly whirly, like it's a half mile down.
opening, so
How do I get inside? You have to pull it like a combination lock.
yeah.
Right. Open it.
Oops.
Oh, okay. First, I spin it this way 25 times.
Yikes. So it's coming on me. It's coming on me.
2, 3. What do you keep looking at? The light. Well, did it work?
Yeah, does Henry get accelerated speed? We will not know until the boy awakens.
Well, how do we awaken?
This way.
So perfectly. Don't let too much salt, by the way, guys.
Can do it and select solemn change the color.
Hey, can you put everything else back for me?
My color.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically,
What are you gonna do?
mine is isn't coming out that well. I did not know what I did. I just put a pinch. So guys, this was my first video. Please like. My slime might not come out well. If you hated my video, hate. If you like, bye guys. That's all for today. And I am Robert, and I'm 11.
You owe us $250.